cluck, the barnyard's alive. Metal arms spinning where chickens thrive. Circuits buzzing with feathered delight. Under twin suns they strut till night. Cluck, beep, cluck, they peck and roam. Mechanical heart finds a chicken home. Binary feathers in a galaxy wide. Chickens and droids side by side. Chickens and droids side by side. Wires and gears in a coop so tight, translating squawk through the starry night. Laser eyes scan the flock at play, protecting the hens from a Sith decay. Cluck, beep, cluck, they peck and roam. Mechanical heart finds a chicken home. Binary feathers in a galaxy wide. Chickens and droids side by side. Metal wings dream of flight so grand, a rust-proof beak in a dusty land. From Tatooine sands to Endor's glow, the chickens cluck where the droids will go.
It is amazing. It is flawless. It is giving chicken vibes.